Hello. Welcome to the 4th week of kindergarten. I'm so glad you're here with me today. Okay, we know that we start with our letter sounds. This is the last week that our alphabet letter sounds are going to be in order. Next week I'm going to mix them up. Do you know them? Can you say them all by yourself? I bet you can. Good job. All right, so sitting up straight and tall, eyes right here. Here we go. A, aw. A, aw. B, b. K, k. D, d. E, E. G, j, g, j. I, j, j. K, k. O, mm, 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 mm. A, o, oo. A, o, oo. P, p. Qu, qu. R, r. S, z, z. T, t. A, u, A, u, V, v. W, w. X, x. Y, I, y, I. Z, z. Good job. Give yourselves a cheer. Way to go. You're learning with me and I'm so proud of you. Okay, how are you doing with your letters? Do you feel like you're learning them pretty well? You can keep practicing every week the new letters, plus some of these other letters. Make sure you're practicing every day. So, we have 4 more letters that we're going to learn this week. Are you ready? Are you ready to try them with me? Okay. If you wanted to push pause and stop and get a piece of paper or something to write with, you could. That would be okay. Otherwise, we'll just practice them in the air together, and then you can practice them later on a piece of paper. We know that we always write our letters between a top line and a base line. Okay? And the first, I'm going to erase that because that's not a very straight line. Let's try that again. Let's try that again. Okay, straight line. All right, so the first letter we're going to learn today is our B. Our B says B. Our B starts with a tall straight down line and then a circle part. So here we go. Starts at the top. We pull it straight down to the baseline, goes up and around and makes a circle that sits on the baseline and then right back to the line. B. All right, let's try it. Start at the top, go straight down, come back up halfway, circle, and back to the line. B. All right, let's do it and say the sound as we go. B. Good job. I'm proud of you. Keep practicing it this week. The next letter we're going to learn to write is our E. Our E says E. Our E starts with a horizontal line. And then we use a circle part. Watch really close. Our E is a short letter. So we're going to start with a horizontal line. Here we go. Horizontal line and then a sharp curve up and around, sitting on the baseline, and then stop at 4 on the clock. That is our E. It says E. Here we go. Pretty special. Horizontal line, sharp curve up and around, and stop at 4 on the clock. Good job. Let's say it as we write it, the sound. Here we go. E. Way to go. Proud of you. The next letter we're going to learn to write is our H. Our H says, our H is a tall letter because it starts at the top. Okay, watch really, really close. Here we go. We start at the top. We pull it straight down to the baseline. We come back up and curve a little bit and then straight back down again. Pretty cool, huh? Their H. Here we go. Start at the top, go straight down, come back up, then curve over just a little bit and then straight down. What does it say? Here we go. Start at the top and say it. Way to go. All right, the last letter we're going to learn to write this week is our I, which is our I. Our I is a short letter, and you'll be surprised at how easy it is to write. You ready? We start in the middle of our space. We pull it straight down to the baseline, pick up our pencil, and make a little dot. That's it. That's our I. It says I. Let's try it together. Start in the middle of your space, pull it straight down, and dot. What does it say? I. Let's try it and write it. I. Good job. I'm proud of you. Okay, so you're going to practice these letters this week. Could you get some clay out and roll them out and make these letters? Maybe you want to use a marker and write the letters. Practice them lots and lots of different ways this week, okay? So that we can learn them. All right, we're going to read a few words together today. The first word that we're going to write and then read is man. The man jumped over the log. So let me erase and let's think about the sounds. What do we have? We have n. Okay, so give me the sounds as I write it. N. What's the word? Man. Good job. Okay, the next word we're going to write is pen. The pen broke. Here we go. So let's try it. We've got n. Okay, let's give me the sounds as I write it. What was the first sound? P. N. What's the word? Pen. Good. Okay. The next word we're going to write is wig. The lady wore a wig on her head. Give me the sounds. Here we go. W, I, g. All right, let's write it. What was the first sound? W, I, g. And read the word with me. Wig. Good job. Okay, the last word we're going to write. Sun. Is the sun shining today? Give me the sounds. S, n. Okay, Now, give me the sounds as I write it. What's the word? Sun. Good job. Let's sound and read all of our words. M, a, n, man. P, e, n, pen. W, I, g, wig. S, a, n, sun. Way to go. All right, keep reading. Keep practicing your letters. All of those are very important for us so that we can learn to read and write. All right, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.